Hey guys, welcome once again to our How to Make Money Online series. If you have no idea what we are going to do, check our intro video so you will have a grasp on what this topic all about and what we will talk about in future videos. With that out of the way, let's talk about your first task. Task 1. How to choose a topic for your channel. A common problem for starters is how to choose the right topic for the channel. Honestly, we are feeling the same way too. We jumped into a lot of topics, making a lot of channels instead of focusing on one. To save you from the hassle and time spent doing trial and error, here are the steps. First, think of what you love doing or what you are doing right now. If you are a teacher, try creating a video blog revolving around being a teacher. If you are a nurse, do the same. If you are a basketball player, create tips and tricks on how to do some moves so the younger players can learn from you. In our case, we play games. There are YouTube channels that do some random games depending on the goals, but I suggest be specific. Like us, we do more on Android games. A few PC games, but most of the time we play on phones like Mobile Legends. If you haven't chosen yet, try this list. Top channel ideas in 2020. As of today, YouTube has over 2 billion users worldwide. This is how many people can possibly watch your video when you create one on YouTube. Of course, in order to create a video or a series of videos, you need to create a concept. The topics that your YouTube channel will cover and what your viewers can expect from your channel. You might be thinking, all of the concept ideas are already taken by bigger channels and a lot of people are already watching or have watched those videos. This is true, but keep in mind that there is no such thing as an overpopulated content. Each person is different. Imagine two channels having the same content. Some people may like a jolly and happy channel and some people like a more serious and calm channel, which results in both channels having different views. Just remember to be yourself, and enjoy what you are doing. Most people will see your passion and they will be keen on watching your videos over and over again. With that in mind, here are some top channel ideas that you should try today. 1. Meal planning channel. This is one of the underrated concept ideas that are actually really helpful. Planning your meals for the entire week and doing grocery shopping based on that plan is really helpful in terms of saving money and saving time. 2. Home decor tips. We all want cozy homes, but what if you don't have enough space to put a big sofa and a large LED TV at your house? This is where home decor tips come in. If you have ideas or designs that you find nice and effective, then you can share it with a lot of people, which can also help make their life better and easier. 3. Kids meal planning. Planning your kids' meals have never been more important. With the rise of diseases and viruses, you need to make sure that your kids get a healthy and balanced meal to enhance their immune system. If you have the same thought and have a lot of ideas regarding the proper planning of your kids' meals, then this will be a really great content idea for you. 4. How to get hired. We all need a job. But what if you don't know how to land one? This is the dilemma of some of the people I had encountered. If you are an expert in the field of job hunting, then go right ahead and make a video out of it. There will be a lot of people that will watch your videos. 5. Meditation channel. Are you a meditation instructor that is struggling because of the pandemic? Or you just want to share some meditation techniques with the world? Then go right ahead and make a video out of it. You will be surprised at how many people watch your videos in order to attain that relaxation they so desire. 6. Hobbies channel. We all have hobbies and this can all be very different. If your happy is creating awesome things out of something, then make a video out of it. For sure, there are some people that will entertain your videos, which can result in you gaining views. 7. Mommy channel. If you are a mom and you are pretty confident about how well you raised your kids, then create a video out of it. This type of content can be extremely helpful on women that just recently became a mom or moms that are trying the best to cope with the difficulties in raising a child. 8. Organization channel. Our things can be pretty messy. From our wardrobe to our bedroom, a lot of things can be lying in a lot of places. This not always because people are lazy, sometimes it is because they just don't know where to put all those things away. That is where you come in. If you know how to effectively and cleanly organize things in your wardrobe, then let other people know about it. Some will surely follow your ideas and maybe will suggest you to the friends. 9. Travel ideas in your area. Traveling is really fun, especially if you had not visited that place once. The advantage of the internet is that you can to people all across the globe. If you live in a place where you are confident that a lot of people will surely love, then make a video out of it. Some travel junkies will surely like that place and will place it as one of the bucket lists. 10. Tech review channels. If you are a techie and knows how a machine works, then make a video out of it. Some people will want to get a professional opinion on an item before they make a purchase. For example, a graphics card. If you know the performance and capabilities of a graphics card, chances are people will also want to know how that graphics card works and is it worth it. Who knows, maybe you can be one of the most trusted channels regarding techs. 11. How to channels. From how to fold your bed to how to make a car start, How to channel has anything of everything. The content can be the same, but the process sometimes will be different. There are a lot of ideas regarding how to channels, and the advantage of this is you can have as many how to ideas as you want because the application of this content idea is practically limitless. 12. Gardening channel. In this global pandemic, we all need a pastime. What better way to do it than gardening? You can care for plants and appreciate your efforts as you watch them grow. If you have fairly large knowledge on how to grow flowers and other garden plants, then this content idea is for you. 13. Gaming channel. Sure, there are a lot of channels regarding gaming nowadays. But don't get discouraged. Gaming is always evolving, and with the way how games work today, your style can be very different from other YouTubers. As I had said before, each person has a distinct style with how they approach things. Just be yourself and have fun. That is why it is called a game. 14. Cleaning channel. Even cleaning channels are a hit today. Some people will want suggestions on how to clean their house or garage or anything that needs cleaning. This can also involve how to operate a vacuum cleaner or how to use a mop properly. 15. Diet channel. People want to lose weight, even me myself. Sometimes I watch diet videos on YouTube for hours on end. If you have a great diet routine that you find effective, then you can share it with other people and in return get some views and also help people lose weight. 16. Homeschool channel. Last but not the least, homeschool channels. With the suspension of classes due to the global pandemic, homeschooling can never be more imperative. Parents would want the child to stay at home but still learn something like the ones you learn at school. What better way to do this than go to a homeschool channel? This can be a great idea for content. And that is it. Those are some of the top channel ideas that you can try in 2020. Just always keep in mind that no matter what content you plan to create, enjoy it. That feeling of joy when you make your content will reflect on your videos, which will then convey that happiness towards your viewers. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. This will help us too. May you succeed in your YouTube channel. And as always, peace.